Hello, so we're back, and this time we have a proper nice laptop to repair. But before the laptop, check here. Yeah, this is like a big company. They're sending me jobs. Find the laptop and some sweets inside. Hope the laptop doesn't give you too much trouble. I mean, I'm assuming they are probably very busy, but they still make time to send me some sweets with the laptop. So we have a HP laptop, which I'm pretty sure it's a nice laptop. And we have some proper calibrated candies. Huh? It's not nice from them. I mean, first, when I came first to England, I said, you know what, I will not have any problem because I was well educated. And yeah, I said, I will fit from the social point of view. But I was wrong. I mean, the British people, they are on a different, completely different level when it's about, how you say, manners or manners. Yeah, you know what I mean. Yeah, especially all British people. I mean, living on one side, I love the accent, that posh accent of the old British. And I met a lot of old British folks, people. Yeah. Anyway, let's go back. Yeah, let's go back to our laptop. Like I said, you see, it is a nice laptop. Well, i5, HBNY, or Envy, whatever. Okay, this is something strange with this screen. Not sure if you can see. I mean, it has like a square inside. You can see? So check here. It has like a square. You can see it? You think actually this is the touchscreen area? Strange. Anyway, what is the problem with this laptop? Doesn't matter, we have candies, we can test it. But I'm assuming it's not coming on. I think I'm assuming right. Yeah, let me plug a charger and see what it's doing. So we have the USB-C and we have the power meter. Plug in the meter and the meter is coming on, so it's not like a charging port issue. And it's only 5 volts with 100 milliamps, and that's not right. It should be 19 volts. The other port, the meter is coming on. 5 volts with 100 milliamps, and this is quite a bad fault. Clearly, the PD controller is not working. Why it's not working? Because it's a faulty PD controller? Not necessary. Can be a faulty EC chip. Yeah. So if the EC chip is not speaking with the PD controller, the PD controller it will not work. Now, if you ask yourself, okay, how complicated can be this power delivery controller? Very. I mean, when I'm saying very complicated is, okay, maybe the PD controller is good. Maybe the AC chip is good or not, we don't know. Then you have a second PD controller. And the thing is, if one PD controller is not working, the other PD controller, it will not work. So we have so many variables on a fault like this. Same like with Apple, yeah? You have one PD controller dead, doesn't matter, you have 4 USB-C ports, no one it will work. Okay, and the laptop, it's open. Yeah, that's a nice motherboard. And here is the RAM memory. EC chip there, you can see it. BIOS chip. Yeah. Okay, so we are starting with what? We are starting with unplugging the battery, because we can have like a shorted main power rail. If the main power rail is shorted, then the 3.3 LDO power supply, which is always on, it will not be present. So the battery is unplugged. Yeah, let's check the main power rail. So the main power rail, where we can check it. No, I believe it's fine. No, it's not shorted main power rail. Yeah, it's kind of tricky too. No, I don't think it's shorted. Let's plug the charger again. Plug in the charger. Same story. Now I'm curious what is taking 140 milliamps. Huh? What is taking that current? Let's check the voltage on the main power rail. I mean, we still have 5 volts. We don't have 19, but we still have 5. So the main power rail voltage is 8.8. So now we know who is taking 140 milliamps. Yeah. So actually the buck and boost power supply. We have a power supply just creating the main power rail, most likely with this coil. Yeah, probably it's here. And the output should be here. Yeah, 8.8 volts. So looks like nothing short and nothing faulty. It's just the PD controller is not working. We should focus on the EC chip. I mean, let's see where we have the power button. Maybe you can check if we have voltage on the power button. Oh, actually the power button is on the keyboard. If we have 3.3 on the power button, then the EC chip, the startup chip, Super IO chip, however you want to call this chip, yeah, we have 3.3. Has voltage. If has voltage, okay, that's bad. From what I can see here, those are the Intel, the high-speed data. Here we have a chip, a shiny chip from what I see here, and a bunch of MOSFETs, you can see. So I'm assuming the PD controller is actually this chip. Still, why is not working? You know what? We have to find out if indeed the PD controller is faulty. No, we can't check that. No. We can't check that. It's nothing what we can check. And the rest of the laptop if it's working. So on a case like this, so they put a plus on the middle, you can see, and you have grounds on the sides. I mean, it's not bad, but it's tricky. Yeah, so you see in a case like this, you can plug the connector on the other side and it will still work. Probably it will not charge. But yeah, let's check together. Actually, what we should check. It's not much what we can check. I want a fully charged battery. I want a charged battery. And the battery has 1.4. Kind of low. 1.4. Here is ground, just to check to be sure. Yeah, it is ground. Let's see from where the batteries get. I'm assuming it's from that current sensor. You can see a current sensor there. Yeah, I'm assuming from there. Current sensor we have 8.8. Let's have a look. Yeah, maybe we can help them. I mean, okay, the main power relay is present. You have like 8 volts. But why is not pushing current into the battery? Can be normal or not. So on this MOSFET side, we have 8.8. On this MOSFET side, we have 1.4. So why my MOSFET is not sending voltage to the battery current? On the gate, we have 8.7. So gateway source, we have 0 volts because the gate is not triggered. So if I trigger the gate, means I'm shorting the MOSFET. It is charging. Oh, check here. I mean, it is charging, but it's taking like 3 amps. which is normal because it's boosting the voltage from 4 volts up to like 8. So yeah, the battery is charging. Let's try to press the power button. Let's see what's happening. Pressing the power button and nothing happened. Pressing the power button, nothing happened. No, the battery has like 1 volt. It will not work. The battery voltage we set here, and it's like 6.2. So the battery charged a little bit when I short the MOSFET. Let me charge the battery, because I want to see if the laptop is good. If it's good, yeah, we have a PD controller problem. But if it's not coming on, then the PD controller can be good, and the problem can be around the EC chip. So ground, and we have plus, which is on this side of the MOSFET, and it's wow, 5 amps. Okay, it's too much. Let's keep it to like 3 amps. Yeah, I will edit the video. Just give me some time to charge the battery. Okay, so we charged the battery a little bit. Not sure what's the voltage now there. Let's see. So the voltage is 6.8. Lol, it's still low. It will not start with 6.8. So what we can do is to full the EC chip. Actually, the battery has more power. So I'll still hold the ground here and the plus here. And yeah, we are pushing current into the battery, and we are pressing the power button. Pressing the power button, and nothing happened. The laptop is still coming on. Huh? Why the laptop is not coming on if the battery is charged? So I don't think we have a PD controller problem here. I think something is going on with the EC chip. You know what? Just now I realize we haven't checked the coils. How are the coils? I mean, that's something you have to check on the beginning. Check the coils. So the coils, here is fine. Here is fine. That one is fine. This one, 19 ohms, is fine. I mean, it looks fine. No, actually, they are looking good. The coils. These coils, nah, I don't think it's helpful to check this. Okay, let me plug the charger. And let's go to the EC chip. Let's have a look. I mean, I can't see any liquid damage. We have a E&E EC chip. Power button, check here. This is so nice. So they put 2 pads here. Power button, you can see. So basically you can short the power button to ground here. That's nice from HP. So on the power button we do have voltage, right? 2.7. Kind of low, huh? Why 2.7? Let's do a test, yeah? We have ground, yeah? And I'm pressing the power button, I'm checking the voltage. on that pad. Yeah, so that pad 2.7, pressing the power button is going to 0. Okay, it is good. Okay, let's plug the battery. BIOS voltage 3.3. We do have BIOS voltage. Yeah, I was thinking it's liquid damage, but it's looking good. We have an interseal chip, but the interseal chip is fine. Yeah, 1 second. Yeah, that's another question. Why is not charging? It's not charging because the PD controller is not working. Yeah. So the PD controller is that TPS chip. This intercell chip, this is good because it is doing the job. This is the driver from this power supply creating the 8 volts power rail. Okay, this is a tricky fault. You know what? I want to try something because that voltage is kind of low. The one from the power button pad. Okay, so the keyboard is disconnected. With the keyboard disconnected, this pad (2.7). Why 2.7? Anyone knows to tell me why 2.7? Why not 3.3? I don't know, the tracks are going somewhere. Let's see if I can find that resistor. 3.2, 5 volts. Lol, so the 5 volts power supply, it's up and running. Let me try something, yeah? Ha ha ha. Yeah, let's go here on the other side. What is that? What is that? Huh? Liquid damage. Huh. This can be the problem. I don't know. Hard to say if this can be the problem. If this power is shorted, yeah, it can be the problem. And it's not shorted. No. But if here is liquid damage, that means the laptop can have liquid damage, especially on the other side of the board. So in this case, where we have a proof actually here is some liquid damage, we can take the board out and check the board on the other side. Yeah. So we clean here. I mean, what I was thinking before seeing the liquid damage is if we are unplugging this board, yeah, because we don't know, maybe it's a fault on that board. It's any change on the laptop behavior? Hmm? No, it's not change on the laptop behavior. No, means that's liquid damage is probably it was from before. Okay, let's take the board out. I mean, just to understand what progress means. So we move from the normal round charging port to USB-C. I mean, before we could check like the first MOSFET, second MOSFET, and follow the power path. But now we can't because that chip it's has data communication with this chip, and also has somewhere here has a BIOS chip. Then this has a BIOS chip here. Then this chip is speaking with a BIOS chip probably through the chipset, and it's a lot more complicated. So I'm sorry, but I can't see any improvement on using USB-C. Yeah, it's a unified port, but with what price? Yeah, that's how you need to think. With what price? The price actually not being able to fix anything regarding the USB port, the USB-C standard. Just leaving on one side, the PD controller actually has his own firmware, which can get messed up. Yeah, and obviously you can't check that. On a laptop, whatever is digital, you can't touch it. You can check the power, but that's all. You can't really see any communication. You can see, maybe with the oscilloscope, you can see something, but you can't figure it out if it's like noise or really something is going on there. And if it's going something there, you don't know what it is. Okay, this is looking bad. What is this? Is a screen connector? This is a touch screen connector, actually. What is this? Hmm? Yeah, looking proper bad. Yeah, we have to take the board out. And the board is out, but the thing is I can't see liquid damage on the other side of the board. Check here. I mean, this is looking like untouched. So I think the only liquid damage is here. Let's take the heatsink out. Okay, the heatsink is out. And the Wi-Fi card. Let's check closely. Eh? So we have the CPU, and here everything is looking fine. Again, more monolithic drivers. MP8694. Yeah. I mean, in the last period of time, we've seen a lot. "24, 13, 12." I mean, here's like 186 ohms. It's looking fine. Nothing wrong here. Here we have some liquid damage. Check there. You can see on this chip, and this is an important chip. This is a switcher. Yeah, so it's switching like 3 volts, 5 volts power lanes. This is an important chip. Here you have some liquid damage. I mean, whatever was here is gone. Here you have some liquid damage. and that's it. And here you have a fuse. Fuse is good. Okay, let's clean it. Yeah, under this we have more liquid damage. No. Okay, let's clean it. The connector here, 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 and that's it. Good. Okay, not sure what is there. Here is cleaned. Yeah, it is. Good. And that's all, yeah? I missed something? No. No. Let's pay attention on what's going on here. That's a burn track or what? What is there? Yeah, it's a burn track. Let me check here. Or burn layers. Anyway, I'm assuming the track has to come to this test point or not. Maybe not. So this one is fine. This one is fine. Here is ground. Actually, it is ground. So not sure what is that track. Where the track is going? This track is going to the connector. You know what? It's okay. We can find out later. What do I want is to not have like a short circuit. If I don't have a short circuit, the board should work. So, if we are plugging the charger now, it will work. Because if we have like a working PD controller, then we are saved. Plug in the charger. 19 volts. Ah? Crazy. It's working. Yeah, now everything is working. You know, this chip is speaking with this chip together, and if we are pressing the power button here, the board is coming on. Check there. 400 milliamps, 500. And the CPU is getting hot. Ah? You see, this is a lucky case. Okay, I said, I know. I said, let's see what is with that track. So whatever is here is related with the touch screen, is related with the webcam or whatever, not with the screen. It's another screen connector. This is not the screen connector, I think. So the voltage we have here is, give 1 second. Let's check the voltage. Is 0. We have no voltage. What about here? Here we have nothing. And here we have nothing. I will say let's see about the other ribbon cable. So this cable, yeah, it's looking bad, proper bad. No, I don't think it's anything what I can do here. Yeah, we have few pads which are interrupted, and it's not worth the work just for you know, maybe I don't know, is the camera, maybe is the, I mean, it's better to be replaced. That's what I mean. Of course, probably we can't find this cable. This pad is gone. Not sure what should I say, you know. When we had these kind of problems on the shop, we are just, you know, selling the laptops as they are with a specification. Webcam is not working, or microphone is not working. Yeah. Let's check the motherboard. Let's see if it's working. And we can have a surprise. I mean, we are putting all back together. Remember that weird mark on the screen? We can have a surprise, actually, the screen to be faulty. Also, this can be like just a test point and actually be no connection there. So yeah, this laptop has to be proper test before, you know, moving forward. Okay, so everything is back in place apart from the battery. No battery here. Let's plug the charger and let's see what it's doing. So pressing the power button and the laptop, it is coming on. Yeah, I can see the light there. Let's wait because we reset the BIOS when we disconnect the battery. It's taking like 500 milliamps, 600. Yeah, the heatsink gets warm. Let's wait. 700. 800 milliamps. 1 amp. I seen 1 amp. We have picture. That's crazy. Check that. Keyboard is working. Oh, also the board is working. Yeah, no hard drive. Touchscreen is working. Touchscreen is working. Huh? So what's the problem? Testing what? I can't test the webcam. I'm pretty sure that's a webcam track because the webcam has like 5 volts track to. Yeah, the webcam is like it's like a USB connection. I mean, it has 5 volts, and that rusty track can be there. Also, can be no problem. There is probably there can be no actually a track, can be a test point, like I said. But it is working. Yeah. Wow. Okay, let me put all back together quickly. I forgot this thingy, and this has to be here. Otherwise, the heatsink can short with the board. Yeah, I'm gonna take the heatsink out. Plug in the charger, and we should see the charging current. Battery is good, remember? We have 100 milliamps. We have the orange light, the charging light. The current should go up. Yeah, check there, 3 amps. 3 amps, yeah. This is kind of like a fast charging battery. Pressing the power button, and the laptop it is coming on. And the laptop is on. Yes, CMOS reset. It's still taking 3 amps, so no matter if the laptop is on or off, it will take 3 amps, which is 60 watts. Doesn't mean when the laptop is off, it's turned off, it's charging faster. And the laptop is working fine, I can't believe. And the touch screen, you know what? That's a X on the battery. Oh, because it's discharged. Okay, I understand. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, everything is working fine. Fantastic. I'm happy I held them. What will happen next? I will speak with them. I will just have to let them know to check properly webcam, the inbuilt screen microphone. But otherwise, the laptop is working fine. I can't see anything wrong with the laptop. The touchscreen is working. Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna stop here. I will say, thank you for watching. Thank you for being here with me. Yeah, for so long. It's like 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour. Don't forget, like, subscribe. Still important for YouTube. And see you on the next one. Bye. Hey, if you find my content being helpful, don't forget you can support this channel by pressing the join button, and you can get instantly access to our members only cool collection and Discord private channels for support with your repairs. Also, you can have a look on our United Kingdom eBay, where you can find some cool and unique products, United States eBay store, or our Patreon page. Thank you.